Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to remove the glove box in Volvo XC40. Now we will have to remove 3 screws inside the glove box. There is one right here, second one, third one. And there are 2 more screws underneath the glove box. One on the left and one on the right. For this we'll be using the Torx 25-bit. And there are 2 more bolts, one on the right side and one on the left, which we have to remove as well. For this we'll use the 7mm socket and extension. Now we can simply pull the glove box off. There are a few clips on the sides that hold it in place, but after you have removed the bolts it will come off, and we have a few connectors as well.
So this is 3 actually, 1, 2 and 3. And this is a glove box.
The glove box comes as one big assembly, as you can see, gets removed all together, and here we have the part number for the whole assembly. Besides that, we have the lamp for the glove box, the interior glove box LED. This is how it looks, and we also have the ambient LED light for the Footwell. This is how it looks. The inside LED in the glove box. Besides that, as you may know, the glove box can have cool air supplied inside to cool our water, for example, water bottles, and this is the airway for the cool air. If you guys want to replace the LED in the glove box,
You have to push these 2 stops like that and push it through. And
now the LED element comes out like that. Pretty straightforward. And this is a part number for the glove box LED lamp. To replace the Footwell lamp after you have removed the glove box assembly, what you guys have to do, you have to push on the tabs on the sides of the LED lamp, which will allow you to push it through like this, and then the whole LED lamp will come out. And this is the part number for the Footwell LED lamp. Insert the new one the same way. Simply push it through like this, and it will snap into place. Again, guys, this is where the cold air will enter our glove box, and this is the hose inside the central console which supplies the cold air. It says cooling and it even has the part number as well. So this will guarantee that your bottle of water will stay cold inside your glove box. When you guys reinstall the assembly, first reconnect all three connectors. Now the 7mm bolts will go in first, two of them. Now we have three bolts above the glove box. And two more screws on the bottom. And when you guys done, make sure that lights are working. This means that the connectors have been properly connected, and our cooler is working as well. And at this point our installation is complete.